Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiyanna and today I'm going to be doing a full face with no brushes. I'm taking my Garnier. This is a moisturizer I got from CVS. I'm putting that all over my face. You're going to see that I'm using a lot of products before I even start my foundation, and that's just so everything goes on smoothly. Now I'm taking this facial oil. This is the argan oil and almond, and it smells so good. And I'm just putting this on my hands, of course, since we're not using any brushes, and then I'm putting this all over my face. Now I am taking my e.l.f. Poreless Primer and again putting this all over my face using my hands. I really like this primer. It's inexpensive and it does the job. It really does make my skin look great. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline Studio. This is also a primer. I'm putting this all over my face. I like these as well. Like, my skin just feels so soft. And now this is the Maybelline FIT Me in 338. It's funny because when I put this shade on my skin with my fingers, it looked like it didn't even match my skin color, but it's actually my perfect shade. Now I'm just putting that Maybelline foundation on my neck. You want to blend, baby, blend. This is just the makeup wipe I was using to wash off my hands as I go so that I didn't get makeup everywhere. Now I'm taking the Colourpop concealer and I'm just taking this onto my fingers. I'm going to be dabbing this underneath my eyes, just blending it out, making sure that everything is smooth. I've noticed that when you do put certain products on your hand, whether it's the back of your hand or your actual finger, it just warms up the product and it makes it a lot easier to put on. So now I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution in F13 and I'm just putting this as my contour. This actually came out really well considering I used my fingers, so I like it. Now I'm just blending out my contour and making sure that everything is seamless and that there's no harsh lines. Throughout this video, you will notice that I'm using certain fingers to do certain things. So right now I'm using my ring finger just to blend everything out. And then I'm gonna go in with my middle finger just to make sure there's no harsh lines. I like this Makeup Revolution stick foundation because it's really creamy and it's very easy to blend out. And again, I'm using F15 to contour. I'm taking the Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder in Banana. I like this powder more than others because it's not as drying. Per usual, I'm using this powder to carve out my contour and to set my under eye and my forehead so that I don't get oily throughout the day and so that my makeup stays in place and doesn't begin to start breaking up and sweating down my face. Now I'm taking my entire hand to dust off all of the powder on my face. I'm using the Colourpop My Little Pony palette. This palette is gorgeous, but today I'm just going to be using these kind of like burgundy colors in the palette, and I'm going to be using that in my lid and my crease. It was very hard to get it just in my crease. I guess I could have used my pinky, but I did want to go ahead and have it all over the lid, so I just went ahead and went in with my middle finger, and I think it turned out decent for putting eyeshadow on with no brushes. Now I'm going in with the Colourpop Jelly Much in Origami. I don't think you're ready for this jelly. I don't think you're ready for this jelly. I don't think you're ready. This Jelly Much in Origami is so pigmented and it's so pretty, and I just love it on the lid. Like, I would put this over my entire eyelid, the crease, everything if I could, but in this video I kind of wanted to use more than one color. But this is so pretty. It dries down and stays in place. It's a gorgeous color. It may be the most gorgeous eyeshadow I've had, and it just goes on wet and like metallic-y. I mean, you guys can see it's amazing. Now I'm just going back in with that same kind of like purplish pink color, and I'm using it so that I can blend out the origami on my eyes. Now for the most difficult part, the eyebrows. Like, oh my goodness, this part was so hard. No, I'm just kidding. So I'm just brushing them with my fingers. I'm going in with this black eyeliner from LA Colors. I just got this from my Dollar General, and I'm just sweeping this on with my pinky, try not to poke my eye out, and I mean, it did a pretty decent job. I'm just smearing it. It really didn't come out perfect, but I mean, it did the job. So now I'm going in with my L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. This is my favorite mascara, and I'm just putting this on my eyelashes. It really did not come off a lot. I think it's because the wand, it's very hard to get product off of it. Now I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm just using my hands to put this all over my face. This is just going to set everything and bring the color back into my face. Now I'm going into my favorite blush palette, the BH Cosmetics. I'm using this gold shimmery blush color on my cheeks. Now I'm going in with BH Cosmetics highlighting palette, and I'm using Dream on my higher cheeks. I was not expecting it to be so silver, a silver color. I was expecting more orange, but I really like how it turned out. Now I'm just highlighting my nose, the bridge of the nose, and the tip, and now I'm starting to look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer's sister, but you know what? I'm their glam sister, so it's cute, it's all good. I'm here for it. I'm using the Koko lashes and Goddess. These lashes are gorgeous. They may be my favorite from Koko lashes. I feel like every lash brand has a pair of lashes called Goddess, but these are just so beautiful and just feathery. I just love them so much. I love how they look on my eye and the packaging. Like, I just love them. I feel like they're the lash that's dramatic, but the lash that you can wear to work. Like, they're super pretty and just not too much. Since obviously I need to be able to see, we're getting all close and personal in this frame, but you know what? It's all good. I'm just putting on the lashes so you guys can see that. I love how it turned out, and I'm using the e.l.f. setting spray, and this gets kind of messy, but it was really fun to just like use my fingers to put this on versus just spraying it. I'm going in with Colourpop Pinkies Up, and I'm just putting this on my finger and then applying it directly to my lips. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and be sure to comment below and subscribe to my channel.